So we're on the bus now. I have no idea what this video is gonna be, but yep, this camera's been through a lot. It's about to go through more. Yeah, truly.
You got your nice one today.
I have 3. Actually, no, I only brought 2. I was considering. I was really tempted. I was like, oh, I could definitely squeeze one more. How many cameras did you bring?
One my phone camera.
Alright, so I'm in front of the famous Lost in Shot right now. Let me get in the sunlight here. Look at that. That is actually so cool. It's my so last time I was here, I wasn't able to see it so clearly. But yeah, pretty nice, pretty cool. Thoughts about you doing this hike?
Feeling optimistic. Hopefully we can actually do it this time. Got a lot better planning. So experience now.
My thoughts?
Yeah.
I hope I make it to the top, I guess.
Oh, same.
Yeah.
I think, like, I'm a little bit nervous. Are you worried about like altitude sickness and stuff?
I'm worried about like being able to physically make it to the top.
I think you'll be fine, dude. If demand the shot. How do you feel about the redo?
Nervous. Fun. Yeah, really nervous.
Yeah. Are you nervous?
Yes. Both. But apprehensive, yes.
How's the view?
It's insane. It's even clearer than the last time.
Are you excited? Do you feel the oxygen already?
You asked me that earlier.
Is this the same view you can get at Berkeley?
Yeah.
It looks pretty similar.
I feel like the view at Berkeley is like slightly better.
Oh, dude, you said the view at Berkeley's better.
It's just like like Yosemite.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Always. You just, maybe when you're 80, you're gonna actually want a good photo of you.
Nah, bro. Any of you remembered for what our generation is? Thanks.
Our generation.
I'm very light right now, so that's probably why. How you feel, Andy?
Very tired. Keep it up, come on.
You got it. Feeling good?
Yeah, good pace.
All right.
I'm really excited. I'm really happy.
Oh.
45 minutes right now.
45.
Yeah. Be crazy. We're going crazy right now. This is heaven. I'm in heaven right now.
We're ahead of schedule.
Goodbye.
Did we get that?
Alright, Darren. So we're at like what, 8.5?
No, not yet. The next one's 8.5.
Alright, we're at 8-ish and it's been here for a second, so I'm like freezing.
Yeah.
Put my pants on.
Ooh.
Let me get that. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Or what?
Might be real.
Dude, when is it
No?
expire?
I'm kidding.
Why not?
Summit.
I feel like this is so much more interesting.
No, but the summit, it's like, what a flex.
Looking pretty good. Pretty good vibes. Yeah. Just the weather's definitely starting to kick up.
Is this front facing? Oh.
She was young, having some laughs. Yeah, having some laughs.
How's the coffee?
Is mine backpack so
Actually, like, good.
Yeah.
Like,
It's
actually
really
kind of
good.
good.
Oh.
Like,
Emo.
it's welcome right now.
So today I'm feeling lightheaded. What does that say? Toilet. Oh, I think this one has the summit. Sicko mode. Oh yeah. We're needed,
I can't believe we're here.
Well, again, the true summit is a little higher.
Yeah, but like this is the end
This
of the
is the
trail.
end of the trail.
We're at the summit of Mount Fuji. We have arrived at 4 p.m. a.m. and we left at 7:45 p.m. and it's been a great time. I've had a lot of fun. We found our groove and we're now being rewarded.
get the keychains, they put the date that they stamp the date that you get here on them.
Here, dude.
We're here. We're here. We're here.
Holy shit.
Can't believe I made it.
The summit!
We did it, bro.
Can't
Oh my
Such joy!
God. How you feeling?
Pooped.
Oh my day!
Take a seat, bro.
When drinking was new, sleeping in the back of my car, we never went far, didn't need to go far. It made me feel like the one, made me feel like the one, that one.
We're on our descent down, and
Nicole's knees are no longer functional.
there's horses.
Yes. We were offered to ride one.
And we're not doing it because we're poor. I love pork. So, Andy, how was that bus ride back from the station?
It was awful. It didn't feel like an hour, but
It sounded like fun.
yeah.
What's your favorite part about Kawaguchiko?
I think Mount Fuji.
It's top of Kawaguchiko.
Yeah.
The view, the Lawson next to Mount Fuji's view.
So for some reason, we're on a double-decker bus.
I mean, the top deck.
Why? Just review if you can. Casey now says review the bus.
I hate all vloggers.